Okay, so for number 7, you're asked to graph 2 lines. The first line just has y and a number. That is a horizontal line, okay? Sorry, that looks really crooked, but it's supposed to be straight. Okay, so that is a horizontal line. And then the second one has a negative slope. So I always like to have a fraction on all my slopes, and they technically should be. So this line is going to be falling and it's diagonal. The reason that you know that it's diagonal is because it's y equals mx plus b. So if it's just y and a number, it's going to be side to side horizontal. If it looks like y equals mx plus b, slope intercept form, it's going to be diagonal. So the first one is y equals 2. So it touches the y-axis at 2, and it's going to go from left to right. Okay. So now we're going to graph the second line. To graph the second line, you start with the y-intercept. Notice that we don't have to worry about open or closed points because these are not inequalities. All right, and then the slope, you're going to go down 2, right 1. It's either rise over run if it's positive or fall over run. So it's fall 2, run 1. Fall 2, run 1. And you also want to follow the pattern backwards so that you can see where the 2 lines intersect. Okay, so what is their intersection point? Remember, you got to give me the x value first. So on the x-axis, that's at -3. And on the y-axis, it's 2. So -3, comma 2. All right, this next one has a vertical line. So if it just has x equals a number, then it touches the x-axis and the x-axis only. All right, the second one is slope-intercept form. So we're going to start at 0, 2. Now remember, if the slope is negative, you're going to go down and to the right. So down 1, right 3. This is also going to be a diagonal line that's falling. So from 2, I'm going to go down 1, right 3, down 1, right 3. But if you notice, as I go to the right, it's getting farther away from my green line, and I got to figure out where they intersect. So when you're done going down 1, right 3 to the right, you want to follow the same pattern, but backwards. So up 1, left 3. So remember, these are like little stairs, son como escaleritas, right? So you want to follow the same pattern all the way across. Oopsies. I'm doing this without my straight line tool. Okay, so their intersection point is going to be this guy right here. Remember, you got to give me the x value first and then the y. So your answer should be -3 and +3. I just realized my tick marks make it look like the numbers are negative, but they're not. So this was a +2 on the y-axis, and this is a +3 on the y-axis.